Hey everybody, it's Amanda. I had someone ask a question in email today, and I thought this would be a really good topic for me to cover just in a short live video and show you how to do this. So coming up very soon, Monday and Tuesday, we are going to do a free little workshop here on my Facebook page, and you guys will learn how to paint this. So I've got this set up so that you can get an, I can't even talk, so that you can get an alert when we start the live video, but I'll give you that information in just a minute. The question that I'm going to answer is how to mix paint to create this color here, which is Payne's Gray. This is Payne's Gray. If you can't find Payne's Gray, what do? So I've had people who have asked me about the supplies that we're going to need for this tutorial. They asked, first of all, are you going to need tubes of paint rather than bottles? And to get the right colors, I would say yes. And to keep yourself from being frustrated, the paint in the tube will be better. But I also had someone ask me about this Payne's Gray is one of the key colors in the painting tutorial that we're going to do. And so what do you do if you go to the store and you can't find any Payne's Gray? You can mix your own, and I'm going to show you how to do that really quickly. So I did a little sample swatch here, and you can't really tell the difference in those two colors. The top one is the one that I mixed, and then I added a little white. The bottom one is the Payne's Gray from the tube, and then mixed in with a little white. So here's what you can do. Take Mars Black and Ultramarine Blue, and I've mixed equal parts. So I just used my palette knife and mixed together. I squirted out the same amount of ultramarine as I have black. And this color here, which is almost identical to the Payne's Gray that I have in the tube. And it's really just a cool black. Payne's Gray it's almost like a navy blue. So it would make sense that if you just mix some blue and black together, you would get that color. So let me show you the way that you can really tell what it is when you mix a little bit of white with it. So let's see here. That is the Mars, M-A-R-S, Mars Black, mixed with ultramarine blue, and it will give you this pretty cool gray if you mix white with it, if you are painting with it, you know, just straight out of the tube. And the cool and the warm and all of the temperatures and things like that, that's something that we're learning this month in my creative community, which opened today. So I'm really excited about that. So we've got lots of things going on. The creative community is open. Also, we're going to have this tutorial where I'm going to teach you how to paint cotton. There's some little cotton bowls in this floral. I'm going to teach you how to paint hydrangeas and the pumpkin, and then that's going to be on Monday night. And then on Tuesday night, we're going to put it all together and create this. But the background color being this cool gray, which I used the Payne's Gray for, was just kind of tricking some people because they weren't able to find the Payne's Gray at the store. So I wanted to give you this little hint. And the Mars Black mixed with ultramarine blue and a little bit of white will give you that cool, pretty bluish gray that we're going to use for the tutorial. So after the video is over here, I'm going to go and grab the links that you need if you want to sign up to do the pumpkin and cotton tutorial. And I'll give you the link to the creative community if you guys are interested in joining us for that also. For September in the creative community, just to give you a hint of what we're doing in there, we are, like I said, we're studying color temperature. And the first tutorial this month was painting our own version of a Van Gogh, and he used warm and cool yellows to create this. So we just recreated it and did a little study on color temperature. We also pumpkins that we studied contrast and color temperature in those. We're going to do like a little makeover on a painting tutorial from the past that we're going to bring back, and we're going to fix it up and make it a little bit different and better. And then of course they will have this. This will be free on my Facebook page for Monday and Tuesday of next week. After our tutorial on Tuesday night, on Wednesday, it's going to be removed from the Facebook group or from the Facebook page and put into my membership group. So all the members of the creative community will still have access to this, but it won't be free on my page forever. It'll just be the live videos on Monday and Tuesday. So make sure that you sign up and watch live, unless you're a creative community member, and then you'll get access to the replay later on. So I hope this was helpful to you, that you can use the ultramarine blue and the Mars black to create your own Payne's gray paint. And I will see you next time. Bye.